Delivery Video 5, Sacramento Street, Cambridge. Third floor, you have original square bolt hardware in the railing and the corners of the rails. Square bolts there, square bolt original, square bolts there, square bolt the original hardware, square bolt there in the stringer, square bolt in the brace, square bolt in the stringer, square bolt in the clip there. Rails are welded. Rails are welded. Floors are J-hooked down. Some little rust starting to build up on them. Treads have square bolts in them, holding the treads to the clips. Square bolts in the stringer clips, square bolts in the stringer clips. Square bolts there, square bolts there, square bolt there, welded railings. Weldings are all welded. Then you come down to the catwalk system here, which is all hex bolts, bolted railings, newer flooring, newer railing. Railing is all hex bolts in it. Treads are smaller and newer, all hex bolts and caulked. Railings are all hex bolts. Then we'll finish and go down to the superstructure in a minute. Structural bolts are hex. Hex bolts there in the structure. Hex bolts here in the structure. And there, there, and there, and there. Some minor rusting on the catwalk. Come down to the landing. Hex bolts. Hex bolts, a little bit of rust, which is quite common on light colored fire escape. You can see the hex bolt has been sealed, hex bolts has been sealed, hex bolts. It's an all bolted fire escape here. You can see the bolts in the bracket there, the bolts there. The hex bolts go in the building there, hex bolts there, hex bolts there. Hex bolts to the treads. From the treads to the clip. And caulked. That's all caulking. And caulking. Comes down onto a footing. All hex bolts. Comes down a concrete pad there with sealer on it. Concrete pad there with sealer. That one needs to be dug out. The landscapers have blocked it again.
That's the problem here.
Huh?
The spaces